Imagine creating Hollywood-style AI videos without expensive cameras, actors or editing teams. Today, I will show you how to create cinematic AI videos using Google Flow, step by step, from idea to final viral video. First, open Google Flow in your browser, sign in with your Google account and create a new project. As I already have logged in my Google account, so this is the place where magic happens. You can generate scenes, control cinematic shots and create AI powered storytelling videos. Creating visuals, you need a strong concept or prompt that includes character, environment, actions, mood and camera style to generate the visuals. This is the most important part of any story, which I have taken help from ChatGPT, and ChatGPT helped me writing a great prompt for my video. I directed to ChatGPT write me a great prompt as a biker racing through a dense rainforest during heavy rain, a cinematic lightning, dramatic camera angles, slow motions, water splashes, thunderstorms, atmosphere, aerial drone shots, Hollywood action style and ultra realistic 4K video. Now I copied the prompt from ChatGPT and pasted here in Google Flow and it generates the final video here. Just check it out. Similarly, I will generate 2 and 3 videos with different camera angle shots so that my video becomes at least 15 to 18 seconds. Now all the video have generated. Next I will go to the sound part where I will put it in my videos. To get these sounds, clip and background music, I will go to the Pixabay.com where I will get some free musics. Now I will import my video clips and sound clips to my editing software CapCut to edit my final video. Now the editing part is completed. Let's play once again. Now just by following these simple steps, you also can generate AI generated videos using Google. Hope you guys have enjoyed the entire process of the video creations. If this tutorial helped you, then hit like, subscribe and comment what AI video you want me to create next. I will definitely bring to you. Thank you. Bye.